Morning. Hiya. Hello, I'm Classic and Sports Cars vlog channel. It's 21st of June 2026. I'm in Eastbourne. I'm doing a shortish video actually. FORDS on the waterfront here. Usually near me where they have classic cars here, but they've just got FORDS doing here this morning. I'm not sure where that entrance comes in. You've got cars in there. I couldn't find it. That's the entrance I was looking for, and I couldn't find it. So I managed to park. At a man racing by Fleet England. I set off the eye. Very clean. Oh, very clean. Very clean. Very nice. Very clean inside, isn't it? Very clean, yeah. Looked after much as. It's half and half, 2.5 leather in it. Very nice. Electric windows as well. Very nice. Cosworth. Where I am is part of the boatyard actually. Eastbourne's harbour, which is at the posh end of Eastbourne. Oh, pulled over. Yep. I do try not to fall over in my videos, but sometimes I do. So it's where it is. He's got some t-shirt with car on the back of his t-shirt.
Yeah, this the door's never. Sorry, buddy.
No, it's fine. You can't.
Never been.
We're looking at the back of your t-shirt. That's all. Yeah. Help me.
Good. So I'll just get a genuine one. I was thinking, one that don't.
We'll come back to this point.
Well, they still make them 17
The old Cosworth there.
Yeah, the right one. Yeah.
Next after the eye, the cargo seats in it. Grey. The RS Turbo. Right there. El Cortina, Ford on the inside. They are nice, the old Mustangs. Really are. They are nice, the old Mustangs.
Oh,
they really
I'd love
are.
to have a Mustang, I would. Wouldn't like 5 minutes in it.
Worth a fortune, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it? That's not
You rarely take them out because of, I suppose, only in day like this, really, in nice weather, they probably, just take out because, I mean, it's also a car that you, really want to take on the road, just in case it gets damaged.
Yeah, I'd cry if it was my car, mate, I tell you. Take care.
Yeah. It's got a bit, has it? Yes, it's got a bit of rust on it. Was it oh no, it's not, I don't know, it's difficult to know. I think it's rust on it by the look of it, on the bump, which is terrible, really, but, well, it is. And I turn out with a classic car, like a Ford Anglia.
Well, funny enough, my mate Shane, he's got a 283
Oh, I know, you get run over. Mowed down by my life. Walk through people. Yeah. Okay, well, that's all right. With people taking photos. Good range of all different Fords here this morning in Eastbourne. That's boatyard, all that down there, all the posh end.
They were.
Full escort there. $1,300, but the engine's a bit more than what it says.
Come out of and he was doing something.
People gathering. You can win him in the car. It's possible. Oh, that's that's the end of the line there. Thought there'd be more along here, but that's the end of the line to there. However, it will be. Got a little stove in there, but I mean it's not the ideal. And little sink. Red Fiesta X. I think I've got a Z-Tech S. They were the better Fiestas actually in in the long run, these ETSs were.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were. Had more of a better engine as well in them.
Yeah, well,
They were 1600. They weren't anymore. They were 1600, but I mean they were the better Fiestas built out of them that they ever made at the time. I think they still are really. I mean, I still like them.
yeah.
I've never had an Exotic, I've never had an or C-Tech, but I mean I've had a near to basic Fiesta years ago. But yeah, I mean, it's a shame I never had one of those because I mean, it's a car that I really like.
My dad.
It was along like anything, but I mean, they don't go that fast. But I mean, they always look as they do, but they don't. But they are. It's definitely the better Fiestas. Birds twittering. Capri. Boatyard up there. A 3 litre S. Yeah, 3 litre S. God. The checkered seats inside. It's difficult to see, but they've got checkered black seats. Oh, he's leaving now. Oh. Oh well. Those things. Ain't gonna make it. First. I'm gonna make it. That's it. Wait this morning. That's a change.
You alright?
Oh, sorry, it's your motor.
No, you carry on.
Probably didn't say that long in impact, I think. Do like that C-Tech S, I really do. I mean, he hasn't got his window down because I mean, you can look inside with the window blind things. Nice wheels to it, they really have. They've got nice wheels to it. Forward angle there. That's all that's a Eastbourne boatyard there.
Obviously now it's formed itself. Yeah. Well, Phil is basically retired. He just
I'm going that way. Other people should be coming along here, really. Not particularly. This is classed as like a car meet, really, here today. My engine.
Yeah. Whereas yours is a
And where they meet in Eastbourne, it's just off the car park, really, where they are. They're another nice car that they made. It's a Cosworth. Console over there, an old console. We're now surviving with this. I've got some more over there. Right. Yeah. Now I think we've already seen these, haven't we? We've already seen these, so yes. There's people gathering around.
It's good to be stuff in it. I had to go somewhere. He's done all my work on that.
Right. That's it, really. Said it was a very short video this morning. Come all this way from Kent to here. That's it. I'm hoping to be another car show or car meet somewhere soon. So yeah, do like and subscribe to my videos. Does always help. In the long and short of it, it does. Right, I'm going to say bye and hope to be somewhere else, maybe and hopefully very soon.